Well, I'm on a 38-mile knife sharpening gig in Portsmouth. A lady called me 3 weeks ago, made an appointment for me to come to her house, sharpen her lawnmower blades, yard clippers and lopers, and kitchen knives. Now, I got no idea what I'm going to find when I get there. But in 30 minutes or 40 minutes, I'll be there. And I should be back in time for a spin. That's my plan. Okay, we'll see what happens. Look at this crap here, liquid sunshine. I can't have no liquid sunshine. I got my truck loaded with stuff. It gets any worse, I'm going to have to pull over and put it inside here. That would be pretty. God. Still sprinkling lightly. Got a half a mile to go. Very big yard. I got an electric lawnmower blade and a gas lawnmower blade. And then you won't believe the lopers and hedge trimmers and machetes. Holy Toledo. See, here's an electric. 2 lopers. 1 pruner there, 1 pruner here. 2 hedge trimmers. This is a Fiskars, like a long range in the air kind of cutter. 1 blade. Got some nasty dings in it. And a big axe. Okay, I gotta get to clean it. We got all the yard gear out of the way except for these 2 Gerber machetes. One's that long and one's that long. And then we have 2 pocket knives, China. Spyderco copy, I think. Manufactured in China, national headquarters, USA. Maximus. Damn, it looks bad as I go towards my house. And it's supposed to be no rain in the forecast whatsoever. And you know we've already had a couple little showers. Look at that. Great. Good look. It's a little after 12:30. I don't know what time it is. Took 2 hours and a half. Sharpen all that stuff. I'm going to have to pull off and put my stuff in my truck. It looks terrible. That. Good God. I'm also on the way to the machine shop to drop one of my Kalamazoo's off so we can pull a variable speed motor on it for me. Well, I dropped off all the 1 Kalamazoo and the variable speed motor. I got all this junk in my truck now. God, look at them clouds. I can't believe how bad it looks. It's supposed to be sunny, southwest about 6 miles an hour. I'm going to still try to go to the bay. This looks like it's sitting right on top of the bay, but we'll just have to wait till I get home and see what it looks like. I got the battery all charged up. Everything's copacetic. I'll just text my daughter. She said there's a really bad storm over there where we live. Bummer. Well, I ever get home? God, what is going on here? Storm. Damn. Raining. Oh, baby. The second good thing is that my leader's car is gone. That means I can pull right into the garage and not get wet. The other good thing was the 14 knives and blades I did today. Stand by.